Guys, I just wanted to show you how to install a smart switch so that you can control the keys from your smartphone. So it comes with four wires like this. But just before I talk about the wires, I'm no way electrician. I'm just trying to explain what I did at my home. Please hire a local electrician if you need additional help. So this is the ground wire, which is in green color, which I'm not using. And then the white color neutral wire I have here, which I plugged it into the existing, the neutral wire nipple here. And then I have a live and load wires. The live wire is black and load wire is red. So before you uninstall the old switch, right, you can find which one is live wire, which one is old wire using the voltage detector like this. So for example, this is the old switch. You go and touch here, so you see the 12 volts here. So when you do that, that means this is live wire on this old switch. So once you connect the live wire, that's it, you're done. And your smart switch will be glowing like this. Then you have to install your app and configure the switch.